Mr. Dodaro, I was pleased to see that you included in your report the savings the government is already realizing from the Army's choice not to introduce a new family of camouflage uniforms into its inventory. Your report notes that this will save taxpayers about $4.2 billion over the next 5 years. And in fact, I offered the amendment in the 2014 NDAA that requires DoD to establish a joint camouflage pattern when developing new combat uniforms, so that the taxpayers won't have to pay millions to the government to keep developing new patterns for every branch of service that also sometimes don't protect troops in combat, such as the Navy's blueberry uniform that they can't wear on ships because when they fall overboard, they are blended with the ocean, and you can't actually rescue the sailors. Can you give me an update on where DoD's compliance is with this requirement?
Yes. Let me ask Ms. Barrick to come and provide that. I appreciate your sponsorship of the amendments. That was very important. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for the question. There has been significant progress. In fact, we identified that DoD saved over $5 billion in savings from pursuing a consolidated uniform moving forward. When we started the work and issued last year's duplication, or the year before's duplication report, the Army was getting ready to move forward with a procurement for their own camouflage uniform. But thanks to the legislation that you helped sponsor, which required DoD to pursue this in a more coordinated fashion, they did in fact do that and made some progress. In addition, DoD issued some joint criteria to ensure that the protection of the service members on the battlefield when they're developing uniforms, and that they do that in a coordinated fashion as well. So there has been some good progress.